I wanted to just discuss the nature of time and the construction of our reality. The figure eight has been really prominent, especially in my experience, and being guided to talk about it some more. It's an understanding of how the energy moves in the time space and the fourth dimension. And when we understand the flow of time flows in a Mobius shape and is not linear, then we can understand how to move time. We can better understand the synchronicities and the echoes we receive back. Oftentimes, this Mobius, this figure eight, is accessed through interaction with photons, the light, photonic molecules. For each molecule contains a little database of the quantum field, which we interact with on a daily basis because it's a part of us, but we can have more influence over it, more control over it, when we are conscious of it, opening our hearts, activating that biological technology that exists within us, with the engine being, the starting point being our heart, the starter. When we consciously begin to interact with the movement of time, this is where we can truly manifest and understand the nature of our reality and its interconnectedness to all things. For all things flow within this formation. It is infinite. It keeps going, a series of loops and turns and twists, all which comprise our reality structure. It's as if it's a series of interconnecting Mobius's, figure eights, all intertwined and interconnected within a 5D hexagon. Or octagon. This is why understanding the nature of bees can be so beneficial for time travel, for they understand the structure of these shapes and the vibrations needed to create and hold and contain their reality. This is why the insectoids, are really important in all of this, and why we should find better ways of managing our personal spaces, for they do contain the knowledge of how to move between time and the vibrations. And this is why their collectives can be so easily accessible, are oftentimes involved with channelings of this universal knowledge of vibration and time and how everything is constructed. They are simply an echo of greater beings who understand how to move through these dimensions and can make themselves large or small, the macro to the micro, a fractal, an echo through the universe. Oftentimes when these insects interact with us, it is a higher intelligence there to give us a message, to get our attention, and to listen to the vibrations in the air.